Hi and welcome to Graphext. Today I'm going to show you this area over here, which is the trends area. And this is going to be especially interesting when one of our variables is a time one. So in this case, we're going to be using this project that you might already know. Here we are segmenting customers from a coffee machine shop where they shop coffee machines, and related stuff. So when I speak about a time variable, that could be, for example, last order date or last login, machine purchase date, or maybe let's imagine that you're analyzing tweets. As you have seen in other videos where we work with Donald Trump tweets, another time variables will be day of the week, month, time when the tweet was written, and stuff like that. Okay, so here in Trends, we're going to analyze these variables, these time variables, and we're going to analyze how the events modify or change along time. So let's click on Overview first. Here you have an overview of the data. Here we're looking at node count by last order date. And here we have different months and different years, and we see how the information is changing alongside time. But we also have segmented overviews when we want to compare or compare segments and share. Let's go to compare segments. So here we are comparing clusters, but let's compare machine models. So we understand a little bit better how people are buying more of model or less of another model a long time. Let's see if there are any coffee machine models that were very, very popular in 2016, but maybe they are not as popular now. So this is how I would use this trends area. Just a quick reminder, you can filter like in any other area in Graphext as much as you want. Let's say that you want to filter by females, how females are buying these coffee machines, or any other variable that could be interesting for you. And here you can choose machine model, but you can choose any other variable. In the same way, here we have node count, but you can choose other variables or other options that might be interesting for you as well. And same thing here, maybe last order date is not as relevant, but what about last login or machine purchase date, registration date, and whatnot. And here by default we have it by 1 quarter, but you can choose 2 days, 1 week, 1 month, or even 10 years if that's valuable for you. And yep, that will be it. Here we have count, but it could be some in some other options. And here we can find some stats like median or the mean. We can add annotations, for example. Let's say here where we find a interesting change in the events, we can add an annotation and oops, try test. Okay. And also, of course, create an insight or export the chart. So that will be it for the details for the trends section. Sorry. If you have any other questions, let us know. As always, we are here on the Talk to Us button. And that will be it for today. Thank you very much and see you next time.